Daily exercise is an essential part of my routine, and it brings numerous physical and mental benefits. My exercise regimen is designed to be simple and sustainable, making it accessible for everyone. Each morning, I start with a 10 to 15 minute stretching routine. This helps me wake up my body, increase flexibility, and prepare for more vigorous activities. Stretching is essential to prevent injuries and maintain overall mobility. After stretching, I like to engage in a 30-minute brisk walk or jog. This cardiovascular exercise gets my heart rate up and helps improve my stamina. It's a fantastic way to boost energy levels and clear my mind for the day ahead. On alternating days, I incorporate strength training exercises. This includes bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Strength training is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass and bone density. I also make an effort to include relaxation exercises in my routine. This may involve 10 minutes of deep breathing or mindfulness meditation. Relaxation exercises are essential for reducing stress and maintaining mental well-being. Overall, my daily exercise routine helps me stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. It's not just about physical health, it's also a cornerstone of my mental and emotional well-being. By making exercise a daily habit, I've experienced increased vitality and a more positive outlook on life.